Are you a business owner and you are not getting enough customers for your business? So in this video, I'll tell you everything what you are not doing right now to get enough customers. A lot of businesses, as you can see nowadays, previously they used to get good clients, but nowadays the businesses are in big loss. So what are the key factors or what are the major things that the businesses are lagging and they are not doing nowadays? A lot of things have changed in the last 10 to 20 years. Few people's, we all know that, right? So according to the time, people have to change their, the way of doing sales, way of doing marketing, each and everything they have to change. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what are the things you are not doing right now and you should do, because if you are not doing these things, then upcoming future may be very hard and very harsh for you if you are a business owner mainly. So I'm talking about the businesses all over the world. Not I am targeting any specific business. I am telling all the businesses around the world. If either you are living in India, you are living in US, you are living in Russia, Canada, Dubai, etc. So even if your business is growing very good, then also this video is very very important for you, because you will get a lot of knowledge regarding the how more and more customers you can attract and how your sales and sale will increase. I'll tell everything about that. So number one factor, last 10 to 20 years back, if I tell you, like 10 to 20 years back, there are different ways of doing marketing. Like 90% of the people are not doing marketing even last 10 years back, 10, 20, 30 years back. But few of them, like as you can see nowadays, the brands which we see in our daily lives, Johnson & Johnson or Colgate or any other brands that now in our mind it has been stuck. Like every day, if Indian brands, I'm talking about Indian brands like Everyday or Johnson & Johnson, Mahindra or any other brands. So they have, they have been doing campaigns since a very long time. But nowadays, if I talk about the people that time, they are not doing that much. So their businesses, a lot of businesses are started at that particular point of time. If I tell you like 20, 30, 40 years back, but now they are vanished, like they are extinguished or vanish. Why? Because few of them have done good and few of them have not changed the way of marketing and client acquisition techniques. So if you are a business owner, watch the video completely at the last and I will tell you each and everything why you are not getting sufficient amount of customers or your business is struggling. Number one key factor, nowadays it is an attention economy. So now totally everything has changed past if I tell you in few 15 to 20 years. First of all, the things that have changed are, number one, social media. Rise in social media. Social media is nowadays a very important tool which you can use to monetize, not monetize, like, yeah, of course, monetize or grow your business 10x. So even nowadays social media is also getting exhausted because a lot of people are coming. So what you can do now, there are some psychological tricks also. Nowadays people are unable to see full videos or watch complete videos. Nowadays short form content is one of the most important things, and short form content, if you are making short form content, it's very good for you. And if you are uploading continuous videos, continuous marketing videos about your product, details about your product, the clients will get attracted very easily. So short form video content is one of the most important thing that you have to understand and you have to implement in your business. And the second one more thing, the more your product will be visible to the customers, the more it will hit their brain to purchase your product. Nowadays, as you can see, a lot of advertisement, continuous in all of our social media platform. Previously televisions are there, but now the televisions are not anymore exist. Now social media like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google, a lot of things are there. So a lot of people, I can guarantee the people that are watching these videos from any part of the country, they are not implementing each and everything properly. Few of them maybe they are making short form content or making full vlogs, full videos, but that's not enough for your business. You have to run Google ads, you have to run Instagram ads, you have to run Facebook ads, you should have a proper website, you should have a team who manages each and everything, as we do in our digital marketing agency. Like we got a digital marketing agency where we provide all the services, like from website design to lead generation to creating content, engaging content. See, we are here one more key factor that I want to share to you. only creating content is not good. 90% of the people, not 90%, approximately 60 to 70% of people that are using social media are making videos in any form, maybe a short vlog, maybe a video of their product, but that's not enough, because you have to catch the attention of the individual that is watching your video. So for example, a person is sliding your video and suddenly you have to do something in your video that the person stays and watch the video full. So these are the things that our marketing agency do very well. We guys create short form content, and we have that, last 10 years we get an experience. Our agency was established last 10 years back. Like in 2016 we have started all these things, so we can get everything done for you. So if you want to know more about the business, in my YouTube channel description, go to the YouTube channel about page, there is a link. You just check out the platforms and you can contact us also if you need these particular services for your business. And one more important thing is that a lot of people have seen they don't have website is one of the most important thing nowadays. A lot of organizations, if I talk about schools, if I talk about personal consulting doctors, if I consultant doctors, dentists, doctors, different types of things are there, like educational institutes, coaching centers. If you are a barber, let's assume, if you are a roof repairing service, if you are in a real estate, if you are in any kind of service or business, if you are providing a service, either a service or a product, if you are selling, then you should have each and everything set in the internet. This is the very, this is the, you can like imagine like this. If you are not doing this now, within 10 years your business will be gone. That's a guarantee. Not 10 years, just wait for 5 years and then you will not find anything for your business. So this is a very serious thing that you have to understand about. And few other things that we are doing, like implementation is very important nowadays. Social media has changed a lot of businesses graph. If you check since the last 5-6 years, you have seen the graph of few companies are going like this, rocket. How? Because of social media. So if you are not using social media, because a lot of business owner don't have time to create videos, or don't have time to do marketing and each and everything. So you should have an agency where each and every people, you have a team who are doing all these things for you. So if you want to grow your business 10x, drop me a comment down below. See you in the next video. If you like the video, subscribe. Thank you so much.